How to make a sparse effect in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, we have this sparse effect now. And yeah, I will delete it. And here I will right click and select Niagara system. And I will select directional burst. And I will change the name. Sparse new. And here I will open it. And yeah, we have this sparse simple effect now. And here I will select this one and I will change this sparse color. I will open it and I will drag this value. Maybe this one is okay. And I will change this blues value. And yeah, we have this effect now. And the next things I'm gonna do add collision. Yeah, we have this effect now. And I will compile it. And here you can change this roof behavior. And I will change this value. And also you can change this spawn count. You can change any values you want. And the next, you can change all of the values. Maybe you can change this splice signs, and also you can change the others value. Now I think it's okay. In compile, and I will drag this sparse into here. And yeah, we have this effect now. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.